St. Lucia's Infrastructure Minister Stevenson unveiled plans to improve road construction and repair standards across the island, including upgrading the materials testing lab and implementing stricter quality control measures.
There are a number of initiatives that we are looking at and some that we've already commenced. For example, the Materials Laboratory Unit, which is the unit which would test construction material, particularly for government, road construction material for government, design mixes, to make sure that the designs that are done by engineers or that are proposed by engineers are suitable for the roads. The Materials Laboratory Unit is being upgraded to be able to deal with what I call the challenges ahead of us in terms of the weight, the falling weight of vehicles, etc., etc. So that will be done. And as we speak now, work is going on at the laboratory in terms of facilitating new equipment that the government will be procuring for the unit, so as to have a materials laboratory unit that's second to none.
The minister said the government will introduce penalties for contractors who fail to meet quality standards, addressing concerns about premature road deterioration.
The standard has to be that any quantity of asphalt you purchase from a private sector entity, it must be tested, and only if it succeeds the test, it must be applied. In some instances, some of that material fails, yet still there's no penalty. And therefore, the legislation now will introduce penalties, and to ensure that if the manufacturer fails to meet the standard, that material can be removed and, of course, the right standard met. We have had situations in recent times where we have seen the use of asphalt in repairing some of our roads, and soon after it is repaired, you see it flaking off, deteriorating, the pothole returns. And what we discovered, again, was that the producer of the asphalt doesn't have a quality control manager. And even when he produces, somewhere along the line, there seemed to be negligence in ensuring that the material is tested and the right action is taken to withdraw the material.
Citing the recent Chaussee Road project, King also spoke of the importance of proper maintenance protocols for newly constructed roads.
Ongoing inspection. Do not wait when it starts deteriorating, when it starts graveling and all the rest of it. Ongoing inspection.
The initiatives are part of the government's Infrastructure 2030 strategic plan, which aims to modernize St. Lucia's road network and bring it up to international standards. The plan includes revamping the 1959 Works and Roads Act and implementing new legislation to ensure better road quality and maintenance.